What is long, hard, and absolutely orgasmic? The 7-function Classic Chic Standard Vibe, of course. From California Exotic Novelties, the company with an all-woman team of developers. Sleek, powerful, and easy to use. Sized just right for internal or external stimulation. Choose one of the 7 exquisite patterns by pressing the button on the end. Velvety soft and seamless to the touch. Uses 2 AA batteries. Take this classic vibe into the shower or tub. It's the stylish 7-function Classic Chic Standard.